Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. USDA qualifying after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is faster than you think. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a little known tip on how you can qualify for a USDA loan with only one day after Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Additionally, I will walk you through the steps on how it's possible to qualify for a USDA loan while your Chapter 13 repayment plan is still in progress. Now, before we get started, don't forget to take advantage and download our USDA Blueprint for Success with the link below. This free guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step and is a great tool for both home buyers and realtors alike. As a starting point, USDA Guidelines state that Chapter 13 bankruptcy proceedings allow the debtor to reorganize their finances and debt payments under the supervision and approval of the court. An impartial trustee consolidates the debt and distributes money to each creditor. USDA qualifying after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is broken down into the following categories. USDA qualifying for those Chapter 13 bankruptcy plans that are still in progress. Yes, believe it or not, you can actually qualify for a USDA loan while a Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan is in progress. For those loan files where GUS has issued an accept underwriting recommendation, no credit exception is required, even though the applicant is still making payments within a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. As a quick reminder, GUS stands for the Guaranteed Underwriting System, which is USDA's automated underwriting system, otherwise known as AUS. It provides underwriting recommendations, which then determine the required level of documentation and guidelines to be followed. However, for those files that receive either a GUS refer with caution, or for those manually underwritten files, USDA guidelines state the following when a Chapter 13 bankruptcy repayment plan is in progress. The lender must document 12 months of debt restructure plan has elapsed. All required payments have been made on time, and the applicant has written permission from the bankruptcy court or trustee to enter into a mortgage transaction. This is referred to as a motion to incur debt. Now, if the bankruptcy court or trustee does not review or issue permissions, the creditor may determine if the applicant is an acceptable risk. And remember, no credit exception is required. Under either scenario, the lender must include any Chapter 13 bankruptcy payment amount within the applicant's qualifying ratios. Next, we will discuss USDA qualifying after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy has been discharged. Unlike a Chapter 7 bankruptcy qualifying, which requires a longer waiting period, once a Chapter 13 bankruptcy is discharged, the following reduced waiting times will allow for faster qualifying. For those plans that are completed and the loan file receives a GUS accept, no credit exception is required. Additionally, for those who apply for a USDA loan 12 months after their bankruptcy 13 has been discharged and receive a GUS refer with caution, or for those manually underwritten files, no credit exception is required as well. However, if you are trying to qualify for a USDA loan with as little as 1 day after a Chapter 13 bankruptcy discharge, a credit exception will be required. USDA qualifying in Chapter 13 bankruptcy key points. In summary, USDA Chapter 13 bankruptcy guidelines can allow for shorter waiting periods when compared to a Chapter 7 discharge. Remember, the USDA experts on my team are here to help. Just call or email to discuss your scenario and let us show you the Metroplex difference. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.